Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make farmer villagers work for you. First, you need to understand that villagers require a specific workstation to adopt a profession. For a farmer, this workstation is a composter. Simply place a composter near an unemployed villager, and they will typically claim it, becoming a farmer. Make sure they have access to a small farm plot, at least 2x2 blocks, to begin their work. Once a villager becomes a farmer, they will actively seek out and harvest any mature crops within their working radius. After harvesting, they automatically replant new seeds, ensuring a continuous cycle of growth. Farmers can hold up to 8 stacks of various crops or seeds in their inventory. Importantly, they will share any excess food with other villagers, which is crucial for encouraging new villager births. To maximize your farm's output, consider building a 9x9 farm plot. This size is ideal for a single farmer villager's working range. Always ensure your farmland is hydrated by placing water sources, preventing it from turning back into dirt. Building an enclosure around your farm protects both your crops and your valuable farmer from hostile creatures. For automatic collection, integrate a hopper and chest system beneath the farm. Farmers play a vital role in villager breeding by throwing food to other villagers. To encourage breeding, ensure villagers have enough food, such as 3 bread, 12 carrots, or 12 potatoes. You can set up a dedicated villager breeder near your farm to generate a steady supply of new workers. Remember, new villagers will need access to unclaimed beds to settle down and become part of your community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.